Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe button. As you can see from the title, we're going to be talking about some new hair today, and this is actually the straight hair I talked about in my previous video. I will actually link that above, so click on that. I actually have it in a new part. I changed the part to a side part and then this cute little bun. And now let's just get started into the video. Okay, today our new hair is called GLS40. I have GLS40 here. It came in this plastic bag here. I'm just gonna pull it out, and of course we have the nets. Come on, please. Oh look, it's all wavy, super adorable. And this has this plastic in there and the tag here. It comes with wig tape, but I'm probably not going to use that. So what I'm going to do is switch hair, and I'm going to come back and talk more about the hair and what I think of it. So let's go. Okay, this is the hair straight out of the pack. There's no parting really, it's just pushed to the back. I already cut the lace off, and also this is in the color 1. Was it 1B? I think it's 1B, if you didn't see it on the card before. And let's see how long it is on me. It goes a little bit, well, kind of to my rib cage, so I'll say this is probably about 22 inches, 22, 24 inches on me. And this is the curl pattern on the hair. It reminds me of loose wave. So this is very pretty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my hands and just run through it if I can. Okay, I can see there's a little bit of my hands getting caught up in there already, but it is really soft. It's not like a coarse hair. And now take the other side. So this is, I'm gonna compare them. This is with my fingers ran through it. So this is what it looks like over here and how it was when I got out the package. So I should have changed my shirt for this video, but I'm in my pajamas right now and I don't feel like changing. So hopefully y'all are okay with this shirt being on. And I just want to come on here and show y'all this new hair that I got from Friday Night Hair. It's tropical looking. The hair is really pretty. The parting is very versatile. So you can see I can part it pretty much anywhere, and the parting only goes to, yep, right here. So it's like this much parting space, but you know me, I can work with it and I make it do what it do. So what I'm gonna do is go style this hair and probably get some baby hairs from this hair and a natural looking hairline.